We are really moving along now, guys. In this video, we're going to do continuous outside edges on a straight line. And now what does that mean? So, for example, this is my straight line here. So I'll do an outside edge to here, then the next one, all the way around to here, etc., etc., okay? Now, this will be a little bit different than when we did the outside edges before. When you were doing the outside edges before, you would have had the right arm forward in this position to hold because we were doing crossovers. Now it's the opposite arm, okay? So if I was doing a left outside edge here, my left arm would be forward, in the front, and my right arm would be back, and you would push here, and as about halfway through, you start coming through for the next one. And one thing that's really important is that you start moving just as you push off. Because if you push off like this and you hold, and then you want to try to come through, you may find it very hard to get over around the edge just because of the fact that we're on wheels and how it works. Okay, so if you push and you start turning straight away like this, so push and start coming through, lean in the circle, push, start coming through, lean in the circle, push, lean in the circle, like this. It is very important to lean into the circle. If you're too upright, so if you push too upright like this, you're not going to get around. You can't get your body. What needs to happen is this shoulder needs to be able to come over to here. Yeah, I'll try to show that from this direction. So if you push and you're here, I can't get this shoulder over to position here to go the other way. Now I'll show you when I do that. I push, I'm lean, shoulder comes through, and now I'm ready to go on the other side, if that makes sense. So I'm not telling you to move your shoulders like this, it's just you need to be able to lean over here and then come around to get that shoulder into position, okay? And once you are managing to do those, then you will do it on the biggest surface that you have. So you would start from standstill here, and you would push, the arms would come through here, and then the next one, arms would come through, and next, arms through, just like this. Do as many as you can. And what you may find is that you're losing your balance a little bit, and it is a little bit tricky. And watch what I'm going to do with my right foot here. So I'm kind of losing my balance, so I just let it touch a little bit just to help. And I'm going to do the same here. Just going to let it touch a little bit, you know, and this is just when you're practicing. When you're practicing, you don't have to be perfect. You're practicing so you can get better. So don't be too hard on yourselves, guys, because this is tricky, but this is where you have to really lean over the edge. Like really, really lean over that edge to come around, and then lean over that edge to come around here, okay? But it's tricky. If you've got any questions, then do get in touch, and I'll see if I can help you out. And yeah, making sure, remember, same arm, same leg, okay, starting. So we'd start here, and then the arms come through, and then push, arms come through, and point the toe, like that, okay? Which is kind of the opposite of the next exercise, which will be the inside 3 turns on the line. And I'll see you guys in that video. Bye-bye.